Today I am in the mood to germinate some seeds. I'm going to show you how I prepare my seed starting mix on a budget. I have used store-bought potting mixers previously to germinate seeds, but sometimes I do get random mushrooms popping out of my germination trays. So far I find this method rather useful and it's actually cheaper to produce. You will need a bowl or a pot for estimation and do wear your gloves to protect your skin. I'm mixing 3 parts of peat moss here. With 1 part of vermiculite. Then I'll add some water and mix everything together. And if the mixture can hold itself together after a light squeeze, it is ready. Sometimes I'll bring my seedlings nearer to the light source when I feel that the seedlings are growing too tall or thin. I find that this works quite well for my seedlings as long as the surface temperature is not too hot for the leaves. If you have a bottom tray, it is good to water seeds from the bottom tray. The medium will slowly wick water upwards to create a moist environment. The excess water from the bokashi bin can be diluted and used as nutrients for my plants.